Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Got Jeff here from Four Sons Homestead.
Hello. Good morning.
And Associates. So we have a pile of beams to plane down. These are right from the sawmill. These are done on a bandsaw. They're too big to throw through a planer, so you're going to need one of these. It's a Makita KP312. We'll have a look and see how it does. These you can get for roughly 2,800, 2,900 Canadian.
Change the blades.
Yep. See that rattling.
And you go to 1/16 there. Adjust it up right there. Right? So that is taken
Should be where it's at.
1/32. So that'd be taken off 1/32. Right there. Cool.
And it is smooth after 3 quick passes. Nice. The only thing is we got a little bit of chafing in some areas. I don't know if you could see that, but nothing a quick palm sander won't take care of. Overall, very nice. Nice square edges. These edges still get knocked down with a router just to break the edge a bit. All right, so the timbers are all done. Got a pile of sawdust. There must be like, I think there's 8 or 9 of those bags kicking around. How many beams have we got done here? We've planed all of these. Another stack over here. So the ones on the bottom, the ones with snow on them, we didn't get to plane. We didn't have to plane those right away. But these large timbers, these are all rafter timbers that we'll be installing right away. Makita KP312, awesome machine. Got everything planed on one set of blades. The blades are reversible, but we got everything done on one set so far. So pretty good. So to recap, you got about a 15-foot cord, comes with this thing. Has a gauge right there for your depth, the amount of material you want to take off. Has a couple of guides. You just press these down and it rides alongside the material. We did about 30 timbers that were 6 inches by 10 inches by roughly 20 feet long, and we're still on the first set of blades. We planed them. They were green, rough cut green, right from the mill. And this thing is awesome. It is heavy, but also it's pretty portable, pretty easy to use. Excellent tool. I would definitely buy it again.